What's up, YouTube? If you're like me, I'm sure you utilize YouTube Shorts and TikTok to post your stream clips and get some more, traction on your videos and things like that, and drive people to your channel, whether it's YouTube, Twitch, whatever. Are you looking for an easy way to make your clips look like this or like this? Well, I'm going to show you how using our favorite tool, Canva. Let's check it out. All right, so here we are again on the Canva homepage. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the search here and we're gonna type in mobile video and hit enter. And you're gonna see all these templates come up, but all we want is this create a blank mobile video, right? So you're gonna click that, it's gonna open up a new tab. From there, we're gonna come over to elements and we're gonna type in square. We're just going to get this basic one, click on it, and then resize it to the shape of our rectangle here. Make sure it covers the whole thing, and then make sure we put the color. I'm going to use black. You can use any color you want. Basically, this is going to be your background. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and do circle image. And we're actually going to grab this one down here in the frames. We're going to click on that. And we're going to move this one up here. We're going to utilize that later, so you don't have to worry about resizing it or anything. I mean, you can, but it'll really depend on the size of your video that's right here. All right, now that you've got your format set up, you've got your background, you've got your frame, we're actually going to go to uploads. You're going to click upload files and select the video file for your clip that you want. Now, I've got a ton here that I've already done, so I'm just going to grab a random clip. I'm going to drag it into the frame, and then I'm actually going to well, not right click, sorry. We're gonna come up here to the top right and mute it just for now. From here, we're gonna put it where we want it. So maybe just center it real quick and then drag. And we're gonna drag this because this only takes up a little bit of the screen, right? Like we still got all this dead space around. We're actually gonna drag this a little bit and make it a little bit bigger. Kind of get it to where we want it, to where we think it looks pretty good and like pretty centered in our video. And then we're gonna center it to the screen again, wherever that might be. There we go, right there. Now with the frame, the circle frame that we did, we're gonna right click, bring forward, and then we're gonna take that same video clip that we just took to put in the middle of the video screen and put it in that frame. Once again, just click it and mute it for now. You don't need the sound at all. And then we're actually gonna double click right here. So that allows us to drag and resize within that frame. Within the size of that circle, so we can reframe it, we can drag it to how we want it, and then boom, there we go. Now from here we can actually zoom to rewind to the beginning. We're going to double click on one of them. Oops. We're just going to click on one of them and unmute it. We're going to put the volume at whatever we want, anywhere between 80 and 100 depending on the sound of your video already. Usually works pretty good. We'll just go with 80, and then let's watch it real quick to make sure it looks all right. So everything is synced up, the sound is synced up. You can see, a good bit of the video and everything there, and everything's looking pretty good. Once you've got that all taken care of and you've got things how you want it, you got your face cam, you've got your gameplay how you want it, you can add other things down here. I have a little sticker that I use that showcases all of my socials, so I take that sometimes and I put it down here, right? So now that I have my video in its final product, you're going to go up to share in the top right corner. You're going to click download, and then you're going to click download MP4 video. Once that's done downloading, you have you're able to upload it, and it's in that upright mobile viewing format for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and everything like that. So really makes it easy. I know that there are other tools out there that you can pay for to use, and some have free options. I've found that this is a very easy, quick, efficient way for me to do my videos, and this is how I've been editing and posting my videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok for quite a while now. So I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd appreciate a like, and if you like my content, subscribe. I do full-length videos, gameplay videos. I've started to do some tutorials, so this is the second one I've done. I hope you like my content, and hope to see you again. Thanks.